Hey y'all, the good folks over at AZZUNO sent me over an electronic charger starter inverter. We're going to get it opened up and check it out, and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. We have our instruction manual and our charger itself. Let me sit this down here. There we go. Yeah, I was kind of curious about how heavy duty the cables are. That's kind of nice. It has the place to wrap the cables up at, instead of just hanging around, you got somewhere to wrap them. Those are pretty heavy duty. Let's see, 1x10mm/2. Not sure what gauge that is, but they're a pretty heavy gauge. It says charge and an engine start. So you can hook this up. Most battery chargers you can, but this one actually has a setting for it, is to just hook it up and start it. That's kind of a nice perk there. Okay, this first one, it says charge 250 amp to 350 amp, charge 120 amp to 250 amp, and charge 30 amp to 120 amp. Wow. You can change your settings from wet to gel and /AGM. Has little LED lights. It says full charging, fault, reverse, and on. It has a reverse setting. In case you get the cables hooked up backwards, it will let you know. I have some notes here. It says provides maximum engine starting current of 130 amp and maximum charging current of 30 amp. 5 amps to 2 amps charging maintenance rate. 2 charging modes can be selected: 12 volt, 8 amp, 15 amp, and 30 amp, 24 volt, 4 amp, 7.5 amp, and 15 amp. Compatible with wet, gel, AGM, wet, MF, EFB, and deep cycle battery, automotive, and marine batteries, and etc. That's what it says. Should be good to pretty much charge or start whatever you need to, whether it's a V6 engine, a V8 engine, or a lawnmower engine. And the lawnmower engine is what I need started. So we're going to take it around back and hook it up, and we'll probably see the lights on it then and put it to work. I'll meet y'all in the backyard. Okay, I just kind of wanted to check a couple of things before we go any further. I wanted to see how long the power cord is and the cables are. This is just a rough estimate. I'm not going to be exact because you can see it's got bends in it and whatnot. So we're looking at 4.5 foot power cord. And by the way, these clamps, fairly stiff. They should grip really well. Not extremely large, but they're big enough to go over most posts that you need to go over. And we're looking at probably 5 foot. Because if you stretch that out tight, but just a rough estimate is about 59 inches. Well, I imagine when you stretch that cable out straight, that is going to be 5 foot. The ground should probably be the same, but we'll go ahead and measure that just to make sure. Yeah, pretty close. Actually, it seems like it's about an inch or two shorter, but remember, that's just a rough estimate, not an exact measurement. All right, we got it plugged in. The on and off switch is in the back here. There we go. It is bright out here, so hopefully you can see that. You can see the little on switch. Okay, once you hook up your battery, it will automatically tell you which type of battery you have, automatically adjust your amperage, and it will do charge or engine start. You can change that by flipping that button down. You can change your amperage, pushing that. Over here it'll tell you whether, I guess it's a faulty battery. So means our battery's not any good. But you can switch that from gel to AGM to wet, and this is a wet battery, lead acid. So unfortunately, our battery is not any good. That is not a good thing, but it's a good charger, just a bad battery. Let's see if it'll even try to crank it. I'm just kind of curious if it'll try. Well, unfortunately, it is not going to start our battery, but That is nothing against the charger. It's just, as you saw, it's a faulty battery. But anyway, as far as the charger goes, it's in a nice sturdy metal frame, has the fairly long cables, and I do like the fact that you can wrap your cables around here without them just hanging off and dangling and falling wherever. Really nice battery charger, y'all. So if you need to start, normally if you need to start a lawnmower that has just a dead battery, not a completely trashed battery, or if you need to start your car or pickup or even a diesel engine, whatever else, motorcycle, boats, RV, whatever you need to jump start and to charge your battery, you got it right here. I give it a thumbs up. Hey, I am Amazon Associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.